Are you ready to dive into the world of espionage and uncover some of the coolest gadgets used by spies? Look no further, because we've got you covered. From hidden cameras to high-tech pens, these tools will make you feel like a secret agent on a mission. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be blown away by the amazing technology that's available today. FingerPrint Scanners. FingerPrint scanners have become a staple of modern technology ever since Apple introduced them. They provide an extra level of security for devices containing sensitive information. But did you know that fingerprint scanners are also used in the creation of high-security locks? Any savvy spy knows the importance of keeping their confidential possessions secure, and these super secure locks are a must-have. Don't let unwanted eyes get a hold of your secrets. Nighthawk M1. Are you a spy who needs to stay connected to the internet but is constantly running out of data? The Nighthawk M1 mobile hotspot is the perfect solution. With this device, you can easily create a Wi-Fi network and connect up to 20 devices simultaneously, no matter where you are. If you are worried about battery life, simply plug it into your computer via USB. Don't let low network connectivity hinder your mission. Get the Nighthawk M1 on Amazon for only $270 and stay connected to transmit critical data securely. Stay ahead of the game and always be connected with the Nighthawk M1 mobile hotspot. Peephole Reverser. Peeking into someone's home without being detected is now possible with Peephole Reverser. This innovative device, often used by SWAT teams and police, uses mirrors and is placed outside front doors to allow covert observation. See what's happening inside without being seen, ensuring complete anonymity. Minihidden Spy Headphones. Get your hands on the Minihidden Spy Headphone and stay connected without detection. This device, commonly seen in spy movies, is now available on Amazon for just $39. It uses electromagnetic induction to transmit audio signals, allowing for effective communication without drawing attention. Not just for spies, this device can be used by actors on set, people giving presentations, or anyone who needs to communicate discreetly. The tiny earpiece comes with a small stick for easy removal from your ear. With this device, you can receive instructions or communicate with others without anyone noticing. Stay ahead of the game and get your Minihidden Spy Headphone now. Don't let anyone catch you communicating ever again. Self-Destructing Ram. Keep your sensitive information safe with Self-Destructing Ram. This innovative technology, utilizing 2 layers of foil, one highly magnetized, allows the RAM to self-destruct if the foil is ripped. This ensures that even if someone attempts to steal your data, they won't be able to access it without getting through your security measures. Beyond personal use, this feature is a game changer for spies and other criminals who need to keep critical data out of the hands of their enemies in espionage. Don't leave your data vulnerable. Protect it with Self-Destructing RAM and stay one step ahead of potential threats. Spy Drone. Drones aren't just for taking pretty aerial photos. They're also great for spying, and you don't need to be in the military to use one for this purpose. If you're curious about watching someone from above, check out the Spy Drone available on Amazon for just $49. Whether you're a hobbyist or a budding spy, this drone is the perfect tool for snooping. Don't miss out on the fun and order yours today. Electric Pick Gun. Unlock any door like a pro with the Electric Pick Gun. Also known as a snap gun, it fires rods at the pins in a lock to determine how to turn it, allowing for quick and easy entry without the need for a manual lockpick. Spies can use this tool to slip in and out of any location unnoticed, without any special skills or force required. Get your hands on this must-have gadget and join the ranks of the elite espionage experts. Night Vision Goggles. Step into the world of espionage with the high power of night vision goggles. No longer just for Hollywood or military personnel, these goggles let you see in total darkness with an LED illuminator and can see hundreds of feet away. Even if you wear prescription glasses, you can use this gadget with its built-in screen to stay on top of things. Perfect for keeping an eye out for intruders or conducting covert operations under the cover of night. These goggles are a must-have for any aspiring spy. Get your pair today for only $139 and see the world in a whole new light. Envelope X-ray Spray. Looking for a way to peek inside an envelope without anyone knowing? Envelope X-ray spray might just be what you need. This handy little product can turn opaque paper translucent, giving you a glimpse of what's inside before returning it to its original state. Not only is it perfect for snooping on birthday cards, but it can also be used to check for letter bombs. And the best part, no stains or smells are left behind. Camera glasses. Get ready to upgrade your spying game with these sleek camera glasses for just $34. Channel your inner James Bond or Ethan Hunt and capture footage like a pro. The glasses come with an SD card adapter and can easily be connected to a PC to view your recordings. With a stylish design, no one will suspect a thing as you discreetly record your surroundings. Whether you're gathering evidence or just documenting your adventures, these camera glasses will give you a unique perspective that you can't get with a regular camera. Hidden voice recorder pen. Looking for a discreet way to gather evidence without raising suspicion? Meet the Hidden Voice Recorder Pen. This gadget is perfect for anyone who needs to record conversations without anyone else knowing. It looks just like a regular pen and costs only $25, so you won't have to worry about anyone suspecting that you're carrying a piece of spy equipment. But don't be fooled by its ordinary appearance. This pen has high-quality microphones with noise-canceling features that guarantee crystal clear recordings, even from a distance. And if you forget to save your recording before the battery dies, don't worry. The device will protect your recording automatically. But that's not all. The Hidden Voice Recorder Pen has a large memory that can hold thousands of recordings. And if you're looking for something to listen to during your downtime, this pen doubles as an MP3 player. It's easy to carry around and operate, so you can feel like a spy even if you're just a wannabe. Say goodbye to losing arguments and hello to solid evidence with the Hidden Voice Recorder Pen. Thanks for tuning in to this video showcasing 11 amazing spy gadgets that you can buy right now. We hope you found it informative and entertaining. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. Also, we'd love to hear from you. What other types of gadgets or topics would you like us to cover in future videos? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching.